Hello again, more unboxing. So this morning we have some more Defend and Protect products, and I've got this one which I think is going to be absolutely wonderful for people who have been to the pub and need a shower afterwards. Defend and Protect body wash, absolutely great. I'm going to stick this in the shower here. Cleanses and protect with our organic defence blend of Niaouli, lemongrass and witch hazel, certified organic as well. And it smells wonderful as ever. Niaouli, we have lemongrass, witch hazel extract, lavender, thyme, cinnamon, all of which combine to make this germ killing. It makes it antivirus and antibacterial, and also because it has things like aloe vera in, it makes it moisturising. So I'm just having a look here to see what else there is in here, and you know what, I really think, yeah, I think this one's vegan. The other stuff, the hand cream that I showed you yesterday, isn't vegan sadly because it has beeswax in it as a hand cream. But this body wash is indeed vegan. Excellent. £7 we're selling it for. So put that here. Move this out of the way because that's a box full of them. And we have some more NYR products. And so in here we have Calendula Cleanser. Now this is what we use when we do facials, facial massages in body massage or aromatherapy to cleanse the face. Cleanses dry and sensitive skin, it says here, but it actually works brilliantly on any skin. Calendula is very soothing. You apply it with cotton wool and rinse off with warm water if you're at home. Again, this is not vegan because it does have a beeswax product in it, sadly. But it does have cocoa seed butter, olive oil, marigold, calendula, sunflower seed oil, jojoba, and lemon oil. That accounts for the wonderful smell. So that's a Calendula Cleanser. This little buddy is what I use at home. It's rehydrating rose facial polish. It's you use it after cleansing, but actually it's quite soapy in texture. So because I have sensitive skin, I use it instead of soap in the morning, once or twice a week, and it's just got little grains in as though it's a facial polish. Just exfoliates very gently. It has milk thistle and aloe vera in, and the polish is rose seeds. We use the rose seeds to create the rosehip seed oil, and after that we take them up and grind them down into powder, and it goes in this. It's absolutely wonderful. I'm not seeing anything that would make it non-vegan. It's organic, certified organic. Definitely got none of these products, no mineral oils, no synthetic fragrances or colours, no parabens, no silicones, no phthalates, and no EDTA. This is what I like about Neil's Yard Remedies and their products. They tell you what's not on their ingredients, as well as this in titchy writing, but if you go on the website you can see it in bigger writing as well as what's in there. And they don't use anything that might be harmful to you or to the environment. It's called the precautionary principle, and it applies to all Neil's Yard Remedies products. This we're using the facials and the basials and the legsuals. Now what a legsual is? It's my word for applying the same sort of products as you do to the face and the back to the legs. not a pedicure, but it's more like a massage, and it just exfoliates and moisturises your legs and makes them feel wonderful. I did it to myself because I was bored over lockdown. It is gorgeous. So we're doing it here. So what else do we have? We have a nice big bottle of one of my favourite products, Frankincense Toner. So this gets used in all our frankincense treatments, the facials and facials and the legsures. I also use it to make body sprays with. I'll take a little spray pot, put half this stuff in, half water, and a little baby crystal. I've got a little pack of little baby crystals at home, rose quartz or clear quartz or an amethyst, and also an essential oil, and give it a good shake. The essential oils are possibly something like rosemary or a nice cleansing oil. I want to say peppermint, but I don't put peppermint in. I put spearmint in usually because it's gentler, and I use it as an aura spray. So sometimes, especially in here, you get some clients who leave stuff, auric stuff around. You take one of those sprays and you spray it around, and it brings a freshness and a clarity to the proceedings. If you want to spray it on yourself, I'd recommend you put essential oil in. So what else we've got in here that I'm going to put on sale, and this is meant for everybody. This is the last of the Defend and Protect products that we've got. It's the hand wash, and I'm going to put it in. I've got a bottle of it in here. It's the hand wash. I've got it at home. In the treatment rooms and the toilets, we've got BioD hand wash, which works just as well but doesn't smell as nice as this. So I'm going to put this on sale. Smells exactly the same as the body wash and the spray and the hand cream, and has the same ingredients in. And I'm looking, it's organic. I can't see anything in there that would mean it's not vegan, so I reckon it might be vegan. It says gentle enough for the whole family aged 3 years and over, so your kids can use it. Might be worth giving them a bottle to take with them to school. Avoid contact with eyes, of course. Bottle made from 100% recycled plastic. Please recycle it again after use. Again, no parabens, no synthetic colours or fragrances, no animal testing, no GMOs. Okay, so the Defend and Protect hand wash. I think I'm selling this for £8, although the amount has just vanished from my mind, as it does with brain fog. Yeah, I think the rest of the bottles in there are all that. So that's today's packages that I've opened. It's lovely to be able to sit here in my gorgeous room and do this, and think that I can actually start welcoming people back to have treatments with me using Neil's Yard Remedies products. I can't wait to start. If you want to book in with me, get on the Facebook page and click book here. You can do it now because it's all set up for you. I'll have some slots available tomorrow between 10 and 4 if you'd like to come in and have a treatment from me. And tomorrow, if you come in and have a treatment from me, you won't see me like this. You'll see me with a salon jacket on, and you'll see me with shorter hair because I'm going to have my hair cut at 1 o'clock and I can't wait. So a big plug for Lisa up off the head, or just up the hill on Ball Hill. I'm coming, Lisa. Get those cheers out, it needs it. And I will see you again in due course, because I've got loads more boxes to bring in and unpack. Have a good day.